June 1st, 2025. That is today, and let's mark it down because it's the first official day that we kick off Save Club. We have been under pre-launch the last 30 some odd days, and peeps like myself, we have been just recruiting and inviting people to watch little videos and see if you or other people want to join, either to save money, spend that $20 a month, become a member, or go ahead and pay $60 and be an affiliate. Now, I think most people that watch my videos, you guys want to make money, right? Good. Okay, high five. Boom. I'm going to have a sip of coffee, and then we're going to chat a little bit, because today is Congratulations Day. We came out of mama. We popped out, and right now we gave birth to Save Club officially. We're going to start working on getting just millions of deals worldwide, including Canada, Mexico, across the ocean to the UK. Let's go to Asia and Africa, go down below to Brazil and New Zealand and Australia, and then maybe fly right over Japan, and we'll land in Hawaii, and we'll lay on the beach, and we'll be working on our tans, sipping little umbrella drinks. And we'll try to save money on all of that, because everything from flights to hotels, things in Hawaii, right down to here in good old Salt Lake City where I live, there's current deals. And don't worry, I have a lot of my Asian downline asking, what about Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, China? Everywhere. Guys, just give it time. Today is just day number 1. So if people bring up the membership side, just tell them we're in pre-launch into launch. And right now we're having lunch. All right, maybe dinner afterwards. But hang tight. Right now, I'm finding people that want to earn money. So we're building our matrix, our downline. We're getting a nice team and a group together, because there's barely anyone that are affiliates. You pay the $60, that's it. You don't have to buy stuff. There's not, and there's more. There's no funny business. If you have 3 $20 bills, come aboard. And for the next year, you can relax with me, and let's just learn good techniques on how to email, how to make a video, how to maybe social media out the max. You heard of the TikTok. You want to rock, learn how to break dance, do some weird stuff, and then tell people to click your link. You want to save on break dance clothing? Remember parachute pants like MC Hammer? You can probably find some deals on those things. You guys go to Hot Topic, you go to the mall. You guys want Sirius XM? I was just listening to The Hustle by, I think it's Van McCoy. Remember The Hustle? Dun, 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 dun. Is that the Cabbage Patch? I was cranking the disco earlier, because I do have Sirius XM. I'm a big fan. I have it on my phone, and I stream it on all my vehicles and in my radio station here. But you can get deals even on Sirius XM. So relax if you're out of the country of America. Because in America, yes, there's the most deals right now, but there's going to be millions worldwide. You just got to be patient and just tell people, look into this deal. Just relax and click some videos and just watch and take it all in. Do you want to be ahead of the curve? Because here in America, Priceline and Orbitz, everyone knows about Groupon, but there's not a division where you can be the influencer or the sports figure or the celebrity that gets paid a ton of money, like William Shatner was with Priceline. The Kardashian family, everything they do on Instagram, they click, and they are so boring. I watch their stuff, and I'm like, I can't believe they make not millions, tens of millions, and a couple of them have attained billionaire status, all by just posting things. And Instagram and companies like Save Club, they pay those people because, yes, they have a following. I love this because I guess I can be an influencer. If you're watching me, and if you will join, I guess I influenced you, but I feel it's my duty to help you out too. Now, as Kardashians and all these other celebrities, are they going to have interaction back and forth? I don't know, maybe if you live down in Hollywood and you run into them while they're getting that weird rubber Botox like this, like everyone's 80 years old and they get Botox and go, yeah, I just saved $10 on Botox and I look so natural. Oh, that Botox scares the hell out of me. Most girls I dated 30, 40 years ago, they really do look like this. I do. I'm like, holy cow. I think she's standing in back of a 747, but she's not. She's just Botoxing. But did she save, I don't know, $100 on Botox? Who knows? I can totally see Save Club having deals, even Gentlemen's Club. Go in, I don't know, get half off a lap dance. I don't know. Maybe you can save money on Botox. All you got to do is just search. Put your zip code in and see what deals you get locally. And if you're going somewhere across the ocean or across the street, see if they have deals where you can maybe fly and save. Are you going to restaurants? Do you need tires, mattresses? Holy cow. I even like to wash vehicles. I'm going to wash a couple vehicles today. I'm just about to head out to a 95-degree car show. And look at how red my neck is. I'm a redneck. Can you see? Look at that. Holy gosh. Yep, I'm a redneck. Hi, my name's Billy, and I bought teeth on Save Club. Look, I got 4 teeth on Save Club, and if I save a couple more bucks, I'm going to buy a couple more and an eyeball, because this one is made out of plastic. All right, so if you have, maybe you need new eyeballs. Do you have plastic ones? Maybe you got like little rubber balls from the toy store. I don't know. You need the Botox. If you got to do it, I get it, but I do not like it. Look at the line I have on my forehead. It looks like the Grand Canyon or the Snake River. You know, if Evel Knievel was still alive, he would try to jump his motorcycle across my forehead. Holy crapola. But how do you do all this stuff? How do you make a video? How do you email? How do you get people to sign up? Well, that's my duty. I'm your pal. You sign up in my group. Let's just help each other. A lot of training. We have a couple Facebook pages that are exclusive to Save Club. They're invite only. You need to join both of the great Facebook group pages. Tongue twister. You're going to have a lot of video, a lot of content. Our group is the biggest in Save Club. And what I find just amazing is a lot of talent too. We're talking graphic artists, people that can make video like in their sleep. Even the company has some video, a lot of training. There's Zoom meetings Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we have our own. I do 5 to 7 videos a day. Today I'll probably only do a handful. I have car shows the next couple days, but I still have really nice success because I do YouTube videos and I post. And here's some success. Look at how nice. 3, 3, 3, 3. Look at that. 4 days in a row of 3. And I've already have 3 people pre-enrolled. And I have no doubt there's probably going to be a couple people that will go ahead and say, screw it. I have $60. I'm going to go ahead and invest it. And my gosh almighty, I'm going to be an affiliate and earn some money. There's nothing wrong with that. So right now, I'm going to show you what I do. And it's so simple after you set things up. What I like to do is just, there's the business card. I go to Vistaprint. You can go anywhere. I'm not an affiliate of Vistaprint. I just think they're the best because they have 10,000 designs. And for $22, I have a big old box of business cards that'll last me years. And I just hand those out if anything comes up on a street level. If we're at a party, a pool thing, barbecue, or we run into each other at a gas station. Hey, Cory, what's that club save funnel, I love thing? Or what the hell are you talking about? I saw you on your Facebook thing talking about it. I just give them one of the business cards because I love Save Club. That is my original, that's the thing, that's the OG. That's my original badass thing, and it still works every day. That leads you right into your own capture page that you're going to have if you're an affiliate for that $60. It's awesome. Let me just show you what it looks like. People go here and they watch this video produced by Save Club. It's Charles, and he's our founder, CEO. Just watch it. It's 6 minutes. It's well done. And then go ahead, fill out this information form here and hit the orange button. You're going to get a Save Club email. Open it up and you can join that way or get more information. There's an auto-responding AI effect. And this is cool because if you want more information, AI can call you, it can text you and email you. It'll even take you on a date and massage your pretty feet. Isn't that nice? Thank you, AI. And they do it for free. They try to no, I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding on the AI. The AI follows through on our behalf because while I'm doing a car show or screwing off doing something else, while you might be shy and not used to contacting people that want to pre-enroll, don't worry about it. AI will take over. AI knows everything about Save Club and can answer questions in real time. I'm not kidding you. And it does it smooth. It doesn't talk like a robot. Join Save Club today. That's old. That's old school, folks. I'm old school. But our AI kicks ass. That means awesome, insane. That's what AI means. Now, fill out that form right there. Click it. And let's just show you what it can do. Now, that's what I've been doing with this domain. Now, I ran into the funnel system when this debuted, Save Club Funnels. This is a slower approach where you relax a little bit and watch a 20-minute video about Save Club versus 6-minute. I promote both. I want you to watch both of those videos on both of those links. And if you join in my team, I recommend, yes, give people a choice. Some people want chocolate vanilla. Some people want a crispy shell or maybe a soft shell taco. I'm the same way. I like to have a choice. And when I'm taking my time and wondering, hey, if I give myself, let's say, an hour or two a day to promote Save Club in my spare time, I still have a life. I'm going to go screwing off and working and doing other things. But if I'm going to go ahead and put some hours into Save Club, I want to know what I'm getting into, what is it, and most importantly, what the hell is the pay? There's the compensation plan. Don't worry. If you pre-enroll, I'm going to send you an email. It's a brand new I always say constipation. It's a constipation. Okay? It's a video about how you get paid. 5 ways. And you'll like it. It's very fair. If you join me right now, I will make anywhere from $20 to $32 based on my rank. All right, I'm a 3-star right now. I'm pretty happy. I'll be 4-star soon. And, the more people you get signed up, obviously you make more money. And I'll let you look at the compensation plan video, and I'll put it right below the information here. And just watch it. It's produced by Save Club. It's a real good video, too. Helps out a lot. You don't want to try to explain the 5 different ways. People get bored. And you yourself, and even myself, it's all about video at this point. Do I want to watch that ilovesaveclub.com? I think you do. If you want to be a member and an affiliate, and if you really want to kick ass and get results like I've been getting, please look into that Save Club Funnels. It's been winning a lot of games for me. And all I can do is just show you proof in the pudding. Let me go back to, there we go. That's live right now. That's not a screenshot and faked and all that other stuff. Look, I'll hit refresh here. There you go. See, today is June 1st. It's a nice Sunday, beautiful. It's going to be hot though. God, where I live here, it's 95 degrees today. But I have one person already upgraded, and I have no doubt I'll probably get a few more. But I love the 3333. If I get 3 more signups today, it's going to, or 2 more to equal 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 in a row. But I've signed up about 30 people the last month. It's been nice, and thanks to my funnels, it's been a real good thing for me. So, all right, guys, I'll wrap up the video. And if you don't mind, just click. There we go. There's the other one. And that's all I do. After I bought my $20 membership and I got my $60 to be an affiliate, I sat down. I bought a couple domain names at GoDaddy. I got those business cards at Vistaprint on your screen right there. And you know what? All I do is make a video, and then I post stuff on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I have a nice email program that I send people to the funnel system. Because if you do any type of mass emailing or paid traffic, you have to go to a funnel system. You can't go directly to I Love Save Club. You can't do that. The company, if they find their spam or any type of crap viruses going into their direct sign up page, they'll shut it off. You can still save money on your membership, but you won't be an affiliate anymore. So don't do that. If you're going to pay traffic or do any type of organized, mass-produced, let's say email, don't worry about it if you do it to the funnel system. It weeds all that out for you. They do a great job. So you pick your poison. I hope you go to both links and check it out. But I think you're going to like Save Club. It's made me about $1,000 a week so far. I got about $4,000. I have about $800 that the funnel system, because it has an affiliate too that's recurring. So that $800 I just made, I'm going to make it again and again and again, month after month, and it's going to grow. I have no doubt I'll probably bring in about $2,000 to $3,000 cash just with the funnel affiliate. Nothing to do with my Save Club income. But I've saved over $950 the first 34 days to be exact. Made $4,000. Coming up, I have another pay, which is about a week away. Next Friday I get paid again. We get paid every Friday. But right now, if I can average $1,000 cash, that is awesome. That pays bills. That's real money. Makes you feel darn good. And I feel good when you at least watch my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and especially when you join my team. But I'll send you an email. I want you to join our Facebook 2 group pages. Very effective. The best people in Save Club right now are in that group. And we all share banners, advice, marketing, ask questions 24 hours a day. because a lot of people that are in my group, they're 15 hours ahead. They're over in Malaysia and China, and oh my gosh, they're all over the place. It's awesome. Even across the street. I even have some friends and family that have signed up here locally, just in Salt Lake where I live. So, all right, my 15 minutes of fame. Look, I went 15 seconds over my 15 minutes. So, guys, thank you for your time. And I don't know if I should say congratulations or happy birthday. I'm going to do a happy birthday. Today is day one. We just popped out. And now we are officially released. Save Club will hit America and all the other countries out there. So we're 1 day old. Congratulations, June 1st. And Save Club, you popped out. Everything. Now we're just going to put you in a little bath water, wash you a little bit, maybe buy you some little Huggies in case you poop your pants. But right on. Let's just take our little Save Club and give it a little kiss and put some honey, warm honey in water. Or do you put it in milk? And that sounds gross. Honey and milk in a baby bottle. Ooh. Maybe we'll just, maybe coffee. Maybe my little baby just wants to have coffee, even as 1 hour old. Okay. Thanks, guys. Now I got to go and produce a car show. You take care, okay? And get a hold of me if you need something. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Peace and love, guys. Take care. Bye.